So, still got the old shit box here in the garage. I'm going to show you how fucking install a light bar more or less the right way. I'm going to install this bastard right here, which doesn't want to stay there without my hand on it, which is a pain in the ass. Give me 1 sec, I'll show you how we'll put this puppy on. Okay, got a couple holes drilled here. And you might say, oh, that's a kind of a small hole, but really it's just a pilot hole for the easy way to attach something that is self-tapping screw. So, got her all screwed down here to the bumper. It's nice and solid. Ran my wire under the grill, and as you can see, the previous installer of this light bar took the liberty of cutting the plug off it, so now I have to wire it together. So this is the proper way to join two wires together, is twist them together straight, not this way, one against the other in a fucked up sticking out fashion, and then solder it with some heat shrink. If you use butt connectors on it, it's just going to corrode kind of like the bumper here and fall apart, and shit's not going to work in no time. And then tape everything up nice and tight. So we got her all wired in here. You got the positive wire on the stud of the fuse box because it's way easier to hook it here than it is right to the battery. And you go over here, we've got our relay secured on that stud right there, nice and neat. And the ground is ran over here. That's on the tack module. Is that the best idea to mount a ground for a big heavy current drawing device like a light bar? I don't know, but we'll see. Then I ran the wiring for the switch down under the body, under the truck, into the cabin through an existing hole in the vehicle right here, which had no drilling required, and just ran it up to the switch. Easy.